Hi, my name is Manu Batura. I'm the CTO from Agiliad, and over here we are demoing you the autonomous mobile robot system that we have developed for Lattice Semiconductors. We have a partnership with Lattice Semiconductors where we have done this in collaboration. And this is a mobile robot which basically leverages the Certus NX and the Avant E systems. As we all know, the systems that we are having today are very data intensive. A lot of data churning and processing is really required. Certus NX and Avant E are ideal platforms to be able to process the data and do sensor fusion as well. The robot that we have is having a Velodyne lidar system to be able to get the 3D data processing happening. It has a Maxon system motors, and we have a motor control system as well, which basically processes and actuates the motor. The encoder data coming from the motor is processed by the Certus NX board. The Avant E system is actually processing the stereoscopic camera vision input and the lidar input to be able to do the processing. As you can see, the robot is able to navigate through obstacles. It is able to move from point A to point B appropriately, and if a person comes in between, it is able to avoid and detour and redefine the path to be able to go from point A to point B. So that's the system that we have developed, and essentially Agiliad is a product engineering services organization. We basically work in medical devices, industrial systems, heavy machinery and storage systems as well. The work that we have done over here is essentially for industrial customers, but if you want to know more about Agiliad, please visit agiliad.com.